Okay, this one, oh, I lost it, is an estate sale. Today's the first day and it starts in 5 minutes, and your coworker let you know.
Yes.
It's his neighbor.
Yeah, that's right. The guy that actually puts our videos on television. He's not actually a coworker of mine, but...
Oh. Well, he works in the same company.
Same company, but yeah, we don't work together.
No.
Might see him there.
Yeah.
You've never met Damon, have you?
No.
Super nice guy. So, it's supposed to be...
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, right around this corner.
Yeah, so park in front of that driveway. Or right here.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna park right here.
Okay. Looks like it's busy, or there's multiple people helping. Okay, let's go see.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Yep.
How's it going, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Karen, this is Damon.
Hi.
Howdy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, he puts our videos up on the Max television for us. Yeah, it's awesome. Great contact to have.
Yeah.
Good seeing you, Damon.
Good to see you. You might want to check through here.
Vlogging video?
Go on the other side, you see the prices.
Yeah. That's us right there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, have a good day.
Thank you, you too. He subscribed.
New subscriber.
Yeah, that's so nice.
That's awesome.
Don't want to carry it around though. Wow, look at all those nice
Yeah,
chairs.
look at that rocking chair. At
Oh
the
wow, yeah.
End. It's nice.
It's a decent price.
Yeah, 50.
Yeah.
Apparently there's some nice furniture in the garage.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, all the galvanized things.
Oh, I'll get this. It's 5.
Okay.
What are these here?
10.
That's
This is
cute.
5.
Yeah, I'll get that too. So I wonder if we can start like a pile somewhere. Oh, this one's like surprisingly heavy.
Oh, there it is. It blew off.
This one, the drawer's a little bit.
Yeah, I can. That's okay.
Okay. Oh, there's stuff in there even.
Oh yeah, that's probably where the good. So let's put this stuff from somewhere.
Yeah. We would like to buy these, but we don't want to carry
But we're
them
not
around
done
the
looking
whole
around
time.
yet.
Yeah.
Can we
Is
put them?
Can we put them in a pile and maybe you can mark them as sold or?
Okay.
Make sure that nobody touches them.
Perfect. Thank you. Put this guy on top.
Yeah, just stick it on top.
There we
That way
go.
people will hopefully realize
Yeah.
that
Okay.
that's all taken.
Yeah. Yeah, let's look in here.
What's a coal bucket with coal in it?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
It is, isn't it? A little bit of, yeah. No, eh?
Wow.
I know.
Yeah, some nice things.
Hello.
Hi.
I thought this was going to be much heavier than it is.
Oh, it must be aluminum.
Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? It's like, I thought it was going to be a doorstop.
It is metal, but it is light.
I thought it would be a doorstop, but maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong.
I think it still is.
It's pretty cool. Oh, you like
There's
it?
a
Yeah.
painted
it's
glass
pretty-
frame. It is pretty nicked up on the edges.
I have lots.
Yeah, you have
so-
nicer ones than that.
Okay, let's go look in the. Oh, what's this? A music stand?
Yeah, 60.
Yeah. Didn't look at it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. But we already have
We do have
a
one.
couple.
Yeah.
That's really nice though. They're so cute. And You got to be careful with what you put in them.
Did you see this 20?
That's why I was surprised you're still holding.
Oh, I thought you wanted it.
Do we want it?
I don't know about for 20. It's up to you.
We'll carry it around for a bit.
Okay. There's a picture and
$50. So.
ooh, okay.
Yeah. This is the expensive room.
It is.
That's been refinished.
Yes, it has. There's no original finish left on
It would have been
it.
fumed oak.
Yeah, that's too bad.
I know. It was probably damaged, so.
You will pay or you have paid?
Hello. How much are those in the store?
I have no idea. Probably more than $2.
Yeah, this one's pretty full. Windshield, washer. Oh, mystery liquid. This is too small.
I usually stay away from the yellow mystery liquids. Yeah, that's too small.
Well, I get that.
Sure. And the ice melt?
Yep.
Oh, there's some cool adding machines over there. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, it's huge, hey?
Look at that.
Look at the phone in front.
Yeah, the phone's pretty cool too.
Yeah, if they weren't so gigantic. And I bet you that weighs 20 pounds at least.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Is it oh yeah, it's metal.
It works.
Painted to look like wood.
Yeah.
Furs.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh, offers on furs. Might be hard to sell them right now.
Yeah. Look at that china cabinet.
Too warm. Yeah, isn't that nice?
And the radio. They got some nice things.
They sure do.
Are you going to take it now?
Oh, it's sold.
Oh, okay. Good for them.
$150. With that farm picture.
Yeah. It's an actual photograph.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
98. You like that ottoman?
Yeah, look at that. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh, it's velvet.
Uh-oh.
I know. Oh, sorry. There's no price on it though.
Can I ask about it?
Well, I'm gonna, yeah, look at it closer. Oh,
Oh, is there a price?
oh,
75.
oof.
Yeah, that room isn't the only expensive room.
No. I don't. I wish it wasn't so expensive.
You can make an offer.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was a radio. It's a radio and phonograph. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Or is it just a record player? No, that's a.
No, it's a radio too.
Yeah, but phonograph or record player? Does this play 33s or 78s? I think that looks like a 78 on it. Maybe it plays both.
I don't know. Sometimes they play all three.
Yeah,
They have different speeds.
it's too dark. That's okay.
Yeah, I can't see.
Anyways, interesting. Mm-hmm. What would you pay for that ottoman?
I don't know. Would we pay 50 for it?
Or I was thinking 40 even.
It's getting dangerously close to half price.
I know.
But they have a lot of stuff here, so I don't know. Oh, here's another farm photo. Couple more. That one's been colored.
Oh yeah, there's another front. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Looks like the same one. Yeah. If you look at the long building in the back left.
Yeah, but
And
the
the
patch of trees
house.
is gone.
Yeah.
Turned into a field.
This one's probably newer.
Yeah.
It's nice.
You go stand by our stuff then.
Sure.
Are you interested in that ottoman or?
I am.
And
Let's see. Yeah. Oh. course. That would fly off.
Just as,
Oh, I thought you were changing prices.
no, it flew off on me there.
The wind took it
We also like that large ottoman you've got in the
in the garage.
but I'm just not sure how negotiable you are. 75 is just a little much for us.
It is, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, how about 80?
That's even a little more much for us.
That's the wrong way.
Lorraine has the final say on these things, so
Who's she? Where is she?
Let me see, where is she? Well, she's at the very front,
Okay.
talking with a fellow up there.
Okay. Should we go talk to
So-
her then, or?
75, you said?
Well, that's what's on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, yeah. Hang on.
Okay.
Yeah, we did not too bad. I'm glad you let us know about this one because I'm not sure that it was on your list.
I did. It wasn't, but had since seen the ad.
Okay.
But not until after you had told us about it. So.
Did you guys buy this?
Not yet,
not
but,
yet.
but yeah, we brought it up here with
Yeah.
us.
Okay. I am cousin to the lady that lived here and also to Lorraine. And we think that was our grandpa's.
Oh, wow.
really?
We think he maybe have sprayed it or something, or somebody did, but it's old.
It's so much lighter than I would expect.
Yeah,
is it aluminum?
Yeah, it looks like it would be
Because
heavier.
we've got several cast iron ones, and they're much heavier than that.
Really?
Much. Like
Yeah.
3 to 4 times.
Yeah.
So they came back at
Yeah.
60.
So
What? 60.
Came back at 60 for that ottoman.
What do you think? I don't know.
I think if you like it, you should get it.
Do you? Thinking about where to put it too.
That's another problem, yeah. Library
Yeah, I could go
for
in
one of the
there.
chairs.
There's only one chair in there.
Oh, how many ottomans do we have in there already?
One.
Is there? Damn it.
I'm gonna go look at it again.
Okay. Is it too rough or?
Well, no, it seems to be in good shape. I mean, I don't love the needlepoint.
If you don't love it, then we don't have to get it. Especially for a price that you think is high.
Oh, this here is starting to
Yeah.
be threadbare.
Okay. Well, we can leave it.
Yeah, if I have a dream about it, we can always come back.
Yep. It'll still be here, I think. Okay. Excuse me.
Then deal?
I think we're gonna pass on the ottoman. It's just it's a little rough
Okay.
for 60. There's some thread that's coming loose, but I think the rest of the stuff will not this guy, but
This was 20, wasn't it?
I don't know.
I think so.
I thought it was maybe 10, but let's take another look.
And that was the same price.
Probably
I think it was two.
Yeah.
So 44.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Good. You're happy?
Yep, absolutely.
We're happy.
Perfect. Well, that's
I'm always happy.
Okay, perfect.
Do you have change if I give you 45?
Yes.
because I don't know.
Perfect. Thank you.
I can't say go and have a coffee because $1 won't give you a coffee.
not anymore.
Isn't that the truth, eh? Okay, I'll put.
need help?
I don't think so. I have a bag. I can put the smaller things in, and then you carry two.
Yep.
And I'll carry one. Okay. Can you get those two?
Yep.
I'm not sure right now.
That one's heavier than it looks.
Okay. Well, now you look at the chairs.
Oh, I'm just looking.
They are nice, aren't they?
One, two,
Fumed
three.
oak.
6, a whole set.
For 100.
Yeah, that's a good deal. Yeah, but we don't need chairs.
Beautiful. All right.
Okay. Oh my goodness, this is heavy.
Yeah, these are heavy too. So these just going in the back then?
Yeah.
Then this one,
On its back. Yeah, it's always good to get ice melter. There's always going to be more ice.
Yeah, in Canada, that's just not something you can get away from.
No, they don't want anybody falling on our steps.
Not like how you did. Smack the back of your head on the cement. It explains a couple things,
It
but
was-
I'm just saying.
I just thought I'd try that out. I don't think I'll do it again though.
No,
I think it was harder on you than it was on me.
it was rough, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.